Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got a stunning bag to show you today. So this is a Valentino. It is the Beaded Glamlock. You can see we've got all of this incredible hand-embroidered beaded detailing on it, and you can see the way when I turn it, it just catches all the light and it just sparkles. It's incredible, I love it. So we've got one nice big flat pocket along the back. So you can see that flat pocket just extends all the way along the back there. Then we've got the strap, so you can have it as a shorter double strap, or it just pulls through like that. And there you go, you've got one nice long strap too. And then we've got a flat closure, and I love this as well. This studded detailing down the middle, that is really, really cool. We've got pinch lock fasten, so I'll open that up and show you inside. So inside we've got a suede lining, super soft suede lining, and we've got one zip pocket just here. So I'll show you that zip still works perfectly. And then on the other side we've got two flat pockets. So we've got one here and one just here. So the condition of this beaded Glamlock, it is a beautiful bag. It's in a really nice condition. We've called the exterior fair, and the reason we've had to call it fair is you can see it is just missing one row of beading. But other than that, all of that beading is incredible, in a really nice condition. If I open it up, just look how amazing that looks. But the reason we've had to call it fair is because of this missing row of beads. And then along the back on this leather section, there is a little bit of scratching. So that is why I've called it fair, but it is such a beautiful looking hardware. We've called good. We called it good. It's kind of this brushed gold, meant to have a little bit of a used kind of brushed look to it, but there is just a couple of signs of wear. So we've got this mark just here on one of those studs just there, and then when you lift up this pinch lock fasten, you can see that there's a little bit of darkening underneath there. So that is why we've called that hardware good. And the interior again we've called good, and it's mostly just for this flat closure. You can see where it's been sat on the beads and where it's been bent over. We've got some marks on that suede, but again that suede is really soft, really lovely, and still in a very nice condition. On the interior it's still in a lovely condition. It's just kind of showing some signs of use from where it's been sat on those beads, but other than that it's beautiful. So that is the condition of this beaded Glamlock. It comes with a few bits. So we have 4 of these red Valentino envelopes, and each of those envelopes, I'll just show you all 4 of those. And then each of those envelopes contains a little Valentino care card. So you've got a care card for each of the different fabrics on this bag. And then we also have the Valentino dust bag to keep it protected in storage too. So the exact measurements for this bag are going to be on our website. If you click the link in the description below, that is the link to shop this Valentino on armcandybagco.com. Click that link and it should hopefully take you directly to this bag. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we do have a request list that you can get onto. So if you've been looking out for one of these, or you've seen it on our YouTube, you fall in love with it, and by the time you get to our website it's gone, don't worry, we'll get you on our request list. Just get in contact with us, send us over an email, fill out the contact us form on our website, let us know that you'd love one of these, and we'll help you look out for one. So that's the request list. Get yourself on there if you're looking out for one of these. Exact measurements are on the website. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I am a size UK 10 and 5'4", and again you can have it with those shorter straps, and this chain actually feels really comfortable, and then you can also have it as a crossbody as well with that longer strap, which looks really cool. You can really show off that kind of Aztec-y. It's really cool, this beaded detailing, and I think the crossbody is the best way to kind of show that off. So if you are looking for a super cool Valentino like this one, go to the link in the description below. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that discount on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling any of your pre-loved designer bags, and we'd love to see what we've got for us. So get on that page, like this video while you're here, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that alert button. We'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous Armcandy.